All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to turn a one-time investment of $7 into $10,284. Can you see that? Look at that. I was able to build this business to $10,284. And I'm going to tell you how I was able to do that. Just spending only $7 as an initial investment. How would you like that? Awesome, right? Awesome. So now we are talking about this system called the OLSP MegaLink online store system. So this is a complete online store system where you just promote only one link, right? You only promote one link, but you could earn commissions from multiple products in the system. Let me show you how this online store look like. So we are going to go straight to my dashboard. Awesome. So this is the creator of this system. His name is Wayne Crow, and I'm going to show you the commissions that are in from the system. Now look at the store here. Can you see the number of products? Much more than this. There are over 20 or more products in this store. Now all you get this whole store for just $7, and you promote only one link. That's all I did. I just promote only one link, and you can see how I'm making commission. I even have a balance of $591 that I've not withdrawn. So you can see that this is a very, very lucrative online store. For me to have built it up to $10,284. Let me show you how the sales are coming in. So let's go to my Gmail quickly. Just be patient with the internet. Just be patient with the internet. So I'm going to do a little search so that you see what I'm talking about. And then you see the way the commissions are coming in from the store. Look at that. Victor, you just earned the commission. 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 Can you see the way the sales are coming in? And this is amazing. Okay, now let me show you some of the payments that I have received from this company. Now let's go to my payments. Now look at this. The owner of this company is called Wayne Crow. I just showed you Wayne Crow here. So that you see, I'm just trying to make everything so transparent. Now, this is Wayne Crow. He created this online store system, and you can see that Wayne Crow Limited just paid you $313. How do you like that? For a $7 online business, I was able to collect $313 payment straight to my online bank account. Okay, but that is not all. Let me show you another payment. Look at this other payment that I received, $1,080 from the Wayne Crow Limited. All right, but let me show you more. Look at this. This is another payment, $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But let me show you more. Look at it. This is another payment of $1,508 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But let me show you another one. Look at it. This is another payment of $1,004 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Check out this one. This is another payment of $642 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Check out this. This is another payment, a big one, $2,096 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Check out this. This is another payment of $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Check out this. This is another payment of $1,000 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. So you can see that having your own online store is a very lucrative choice. Okay, now what is this OLSP $7 MegaLink online store. This is a complete done for you online store with multiple products within it. Okay, now all you need to do, once you pay your $7, you get your store, then you start promoting your store. That's all I've been doing. I've just been promoting my store, and you can see the way I'm making money from this online store system. Now with this online store, everything is done for you. Once you promote your store, bring visitors to your store, the system takes over. The system follows up with your lead by email and invite them to webinars, training, and they even close sales for you. So with this store, you will be able to earn commissions from all the products in the store, low ticket commission to even high ticket commission of over $2,000, which you can see I was able to do that. All right, now you'll be asking, Victor, how do I join this online store system, the MegaLink online store? Very simple. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, all right, so once you come below this video you are watching right now, go to the description and click on the first link. You see where it says step 1, join the OLSP $7 MegaLink system. Go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now once you click that first link, that will now take you straight to this capture page website. Okay, now once you get to this page, awesome. So once it brings you to this page, all you have to do, you see where it says get instant access. Now all you need to do, put in your name here, put in your best email address here. So go ahead, enter your name here, and then enter your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Now that will now take you to the MegaLink website. Okay, all right, so that brings you to the MegaLink website. Okay, now all you need to do, make sure you watch this video. After watching the video, come below the video to this orange box that says click here to get instant access. Can you see that? Click here to get instant access. For how much? Just $7. $7, one-time payment, no monthly fee. So this is highly affordable for anyone in the world. Okay, so go ahead right now, click this orange button, pay your $7, and your own online store will be created just like mine. How do you like that? Awesome, right? Amazing. Now if you are ready right now, you want to join my team, go below this video, click that first link, join my team. Okay, and for joining my team, I am giving all my support to my team members. I show you how I promote, and I help you out as much as I can. Now if you like this, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. Okay, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.